Hello friends, welcome to Power Tech Insight. Today I want to show you this very useful tool for testing electronics component like resistor, LED, transistor, capacitor, inductors. It's a very useful tool. So as you can see, this is called Multifunction Tester T7. So it has a built-in battery, so which we can charge with the micro USB. So what we can do, and here let's test some component. Here I have some diodes, so we can test open circuit, closed circuit, diode. So let's see. So let's test. Okay, we just need to put inside these terminals and close it and press start button. You see the diode is a good condition. It will tell you the polarity of the diode. So let's test some more diodes. I have here bigger diode as well, so let's test this one. So we need to make sure we put this one gently and firmly inside this terminal, and after that one we got to close this one. So just press start button. So you see it will tell us the direction and polarity of the diodes as well. So now we can test some other component as well. Like I have some capacitors here, so we can test these capacitors. Let's see how it performs. So here you can see I have 0.47, yeah, you can see, yeah, 0.47 micro ohm capacitor. So let's test this one. Put inside the terminal and press start button. So as you can see, this is 137 nanofarad. Yeah. So let's test some other capacitor. I have, it is 100 microfarad, 25 volt. Let's put this one and test this tester. See, 98 microfarad, it's almost 100 microfarad. It's very accurate testing. So now I have some more capacitors. If we can test this one. So this one I have here 47 microfarad. So let's see how does it read. Yeah, you see 48.1 microfarad, which is nice. So now I have some LEDs. We can test some LEDs here as well. You can even test LEDs. Like I have this white LEDs. So you just need to put inside this terminal, press start button. Yeah, you see it's 2.7 voltage. This LED is forward voltage as 2.7 voltage. So now I have other LEDs. Let's see, I have red LED. You just got to put inside this terminal. So press start button. Yeah, this LED forward voltage 1.9 voltage. So you know that is why it's reading a diode, because LED is also kind of diode. I have is a green LED and blue LED. Let's test this one also. You see This LED forward voltage are 2.0, which is a good one. So now I have some resistors, so we can test these resistors value. So now no need to cover, like no need to remember any color coding, as you know that to read the resistor value you must know the color coding, but no need to with by using this tool you don't need to remember any color coding, just you got to put inside this inside. Okay, then press start button, then we'll see what's the value of this resistor. Yeah, it is a 3.2 kilo ohm, you can see. Okay, now test, I have another one. Let's see what's the value of this resistor. Press start button. You see, this is actually 47k resistor. It's almost 46 reading, 46.82 kilo ohm, which is a good reading. So now I have some transistor. So we can test transistor, what kind of transistor, even if there is a no number is unknown. So this tester can tell you what kind of this transistor is, and it is a NPN, PNP, or whatever the you need to find it. Yeah, so just got to put inside this one terminal. So just start the button. Yeah, this is a BJT PNP type of the transistor. So I have more. Let's test other one. So just press start button, it will test itself. You see, the other one we tested before, it was PNP, this is the NPN. So in this way you can test any kind of BJT transistor, any kind of FET transistor, means any kind of transistor you can test with this tester. Even I have here one Samsung LG remote control, so you can decode. If you can, I can show you this one. You see, so any kind of remote which has IR, infrared rays, it can decode, and you can use your any projects, and it will tell you either the remote control is working or not working. So you can see I put this button, it's changing the code. Yeah, so I have some, this is a BAT 16. Yeah, this is actually used for to control any uh, electrical load, like AC current. So if I want to test this one, we just got to put inside this one and press start button. Here we see it's showing the resistor. Basically it's a resistor which we can control the gate to change the resistor to control the AC load. So you guys, so if you need to charge it, you just need to just plug in with the micros USB, any micro USB port. Just plug this like this, start charging, and this LED showing that it's charging. When it's become green, so it's mean this is a fully charged. So like and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.